Sunday, one and all, West Coast Swing Dancing with myself, and you better know this lady, Miss Laura. You better, that's all I'm telling you. We're going to show you something we taught twice a month here in Herndon, and this is something I've taught before in Herndon, but bring it back every year just to share it again. Maybe you didn't see it the first time or came to the class that time. This is a shoulder push, and then it's the first 4 counts of a basic whip. So 1, 2, triple, step. Nothing different about it. It's all the same as a basic count, so let's do it from this direction, and then we'll go front to back. But then on the sugar, you're going to bring turning on 1. She does a coaster. Guys on my left, ladies on their right. 4. Just going this way, just going right into it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? But then from there, everything changes. So we're going to get to 4 again on the sugar push. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. What normally I would do with Laura is make her walk 5, 6. Get off the track and send her down this path. I'm going to take her that way again, but I'm going to accelerate it. 4 and 5. So it's actually still 2 steps. I'm going to go and 5. So it's hard to do when you have no energy to it. So let's go a little bit faster so you can see how you generate that energy. So guys, got to get off the track immediately on 5. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. And if you notice what I do with my left arm, after 2, I don't need her right hand. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I already let go of it. And that way I'm able to connect with the middle part of her right arm. So let's go this direction. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, now I'm still off the track to her right slightly, but I'm only connecting with her with my right arm underneath her right shoulder blade. Because then from there, it's a series of moves of triples. So here's the sugar push, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Pull her up on 6, and that's going to start to turn her to her left. And it's triple and a triple. So guys, when she comes up onto 6, you're going to use your right hand. Left hand pulls her up. Right hand turns her, and that makes her finish the movement. Okay, so guys, don't stay off. Don't give her a chance to go by you. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Turn her to the left, and pick her up. I'm going in this direction. Because if you let her go by you, then it moves over. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. And turn her left. Now I kind of moved over so you could see me actually turn her out, but it should be more in front of her, simply because it doesn't give her much of an option after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you square in front of her, and send her back. So give her that push in the middle part of her back with your right hand, or you're not going to be able to finish the move. The other way to get out of it is simply in the closed position. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, and then you can get into your tuck turn or whatever you choose to do. But that's just another way to get out of it. But one more time, just the whole thing without the closed position ending. Okay, it's a really cool whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, triple. See how Laura lifts her arms up? Whenever you feel a connection underneath, raise your arms.
Yeah, as soon as he gets that hand under my arm there, I get a sense that I'm going to be turning.
That we don't get any jumbles.
Yep.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Hope you like that one. I always love that. Bring it back every time this year, every time of year nowadays. So please like it, please use it, please subscribe for a free video. Until next time, we have Laura and I. Have a great week, and as always, keep dancing.
Thank you.